Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox audio not working. First, let's cover the basics. Make sure your device's master volume is turned up and not muted. Sometimes it's a simple oversight. Then, confirm other applications are playing sound, which helps isolate the problem to Roblox. Also, double-check your headphones or speakers are securely plugged in. Finally, a quick restart of both Roblox and your device can often resolve minor glitches, getting you back to enjoying your games with sound in just a few moments. Next, let's dive into specific settings. Within Roblox, access the in-game settings and verify the volume slider is not at 0 or muted. It's a common spot for accidental adjustments. Then, check your operating system's sound mixer. Sometimes Roblox gets individually muted there. If you're using a headset, confirm it's selected as your default audio output. Trying a different audio device, like switching from headphones to your computer's built-in speakers, can also help pinpoint if the issue lies with your hardware or the game itself. Now, let's explore driver and software solutions. Outdated audio drivers are a frequent culprit, so update them to the latest version from your device manufacturer's website. Your operating system's sound troubleshooter can also be quite effective at diagnosing and fixing common issues. If you use any third-party audio enhancement software, try temporarily disabling it, as these can sometimes conflict with game audio. Lastly, always ensure your Roblox application itself is fully updated. New versions often include bug fixes for sound problems. Finally, if the problem persists, a complete reinstallation of Roblox is often the most effective solution. This ensures all corrupted files are replaced with fresh ones. Before reinstalling, remember to clear any lingering Roblox cache files from your system's temporary folders. If you've tried everything and still have no sound, reaching out to Roblox support is your next best step. Provide them with all the details of your issue and the troubleshooting you've already performed. Also, quickly check Roblox's official status page for any widespread audio outages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.